what I got. Baby, finally got my hands on the Cècred Restoring Hair and Edge Drops. If you're new to my channel, my edges have been on the sick and shut-in list way before I got locks. I done had locks for almost 4 years, and my edges, like right here, are super fine, non-existent. They just non-existent. And I ain't even gonna go into details about all that because I've already made videos about how my edges got here. And again, it's not because of locks, because for some reason, so many people like to comment that it's because I retightened my locks too tight, or, you know, mind your business. Okay. So I have been using minoxidil over almost a year now, growing my edges back, and they have grown back significantly, specifically in this area. However, it's been growing around, but not here. And I'm almost for sure that maybe those follicles just will never come back. But why not try? The reason I'm taking a break from using minoxidil, y'all, I ain't gonna lie to you, and I know y'all probably already know, because if you've used minoxidil, baby, I started getting a little peach fuzz on my cheeks. Even though I'm putting it here, I used a little, fan to dry it before I tied my bunny down. I was starting to get a little more fuzzy. And I was like, yeah, I can't be out here looking like, Big Wolf on campus. For the ones that know, they know. So we're gonna try this, and I'm gonna put it on every night, like I was doing the minoxidil. I was actually putting the minoxidil on twice a day. I might do this twice a day, in the morning and at night. So this is my first night using it, and maybe I'll just do like a monthly update. Let's see. Oh, it smells really good. Oh, it has like a clean scent to it. Yeah, kind of like the hydrating shampoo. If you've tried it, it smells similar to that. All right, let's go ahead. I'm gonna try not to use like a super big amount. Okay, hold on. All right, we don't want to waste none. It's dang near $60. So we want to make sure. A little massage, okay? Now we're just rubbing it in, and it might look like I'm being rough, but I promise I am being gentle on my edges because I value you edges, okay? I have to give my edges positive affirmations, okay? Because they're doing the best they can with what they got. And the fact that my hair keeps growing, I know I be putting them through some stress, and then stress from work, like, girl, I'm sorry. So I have to get them a little positive affirmation. Y'all think I should put some on my eyebrows? Because they be on the sick and shut-in list too. Yeah, let's put a little bit on the eyebrows too, okay? Just a little bit. Okay. All right, maybe these are growing too, shoot. Okay, just let me know if you've tried the Cècred hair and edge drops. How was your experience, and how often do y'all want to get this update? All right, see y'all soon. Bye.